What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2022 392 SRT Durango. It's only got 1,200 miles on it, guys. It's crazy. Brought it from the dealer, brought it to us. Factory converters, like usual. What we did on this is straight piped it all the way back. He's getting it for Christmas for his son, so we hooked him up. As you guys can see, so we took the mid muffler out right there, the kidney bean, took it out, straight piped it, deleted the rear resonators on each side, they're in there, and put some signature 5-inch roll tips by AT. Exhaust Addicts touch right there. There's the mid that was on it, and there's the rears that were on it. Cut them off and replaced them. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. That we cut off, guys. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, that's better. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Durango SRT, fully straight pipe, 2022.